Hello friends, welcome back. So in today's video we are going to see how to deploy or configure CloudWatch events for our servers. Okay, so for that the assumption here you guys need to configure SNS topic. Okay, so if you don't know how to do that, please watch my earlier video or else I will add that link into description or in right hand side top I section. Okay, so you can see here on my screen, this is one of my demo server. Okay, and I want to configure CloudWatch event for this. Okay, so let's see basically CloudWatch, the pricing. Okay, it is not a free. Okay, so let's see how it is. So see here, I came into aws.com/cloudwatch/pricing, and in free tier, you can see what service available in free tier. EC2, S3, very limited service, and let's scroll down. You can see here what are the metrics are available. Basic monitoring, 5-minute frequency. Okay, so real-time monitoring is not available in free tier. Okay, and dashboard up to 50 metrics per month, 10 alarms, 5 GB data, logs, events, all events except. Okay, so yeah, custom events. Now let's see what is available in paid tier. Okay, so paid tier region wise it is available. So let's see, our region is Ohio. Okay, then first 10,000 matrix it will be 30 cent. Then yeah, you can see it's less than $1. Okay, so yeah, it's good options. So today let's see about the free tier. Okay, for the demo purpose. Okay, so let's go back to our instance. Okay, so before that let me tell you I have my SNS topic, which is, let's see here. Okay, so this is my topic L1 monitoring. Okay, so if I any events are generated, then it will automatically go to my monitoring team. Okay, the email alert will go. Okay, so let's see that how to configure those events, those alerts. Okay, so let's go back to the EC2. And this demo server we are going to target our alerts. Okay, so yeah, let's go to now CloudWatch. Click on CloudWatch. So let's see out the events. Okay, so we need to configure the event. So click on the event and let's create the get started. Okay, so you can see here event shows there are two patterns. One is event pattern and one is schedule. So let's have event pattern, and here you can see service name, which service I want to schedule events. Okay, so I'm going to schedule for EC2. So let's find out here EC2. Okay, EC2, and it's asking event type. What type of event I want? All type or I want customize. Okay, so let it be all type. Even I can do customize also. Okay, so let's see that. So for customize, let's check this option, EC2 instance state change notification. Okay, and which state we want notification, any state or specific state. Okay, so let's do specific state. So I want when my server is running, I want notification pending, shutting down, stop, terminate. Okay, so I don't want pending. Let me cancel this. Okay, so this all state I want my notification. Okay, now this is we selected. Now we want the alert, right? For that we have created SNS topic. So right hand side you can see add a target. So click out here, find out SNS. Okay, so SNS topic, select our topic. So my topic is L1 monitoring. Okay, so look at here once again, we have selected EC2, then state change notification, customized notification we have added whatever we want. Okay, then we have added our SNS topic and let's configure. Give this rule name like, so I'm giving here AWS monitoring, or let's say monitoring, yeah, that's easy. Okay, so description, let it be anything. Okay, so I'm giving AWS monitoring and I'm creating a rule. Okay, so name, okay, so let's change this. Okay, so I added underscore. Now let's create. Okay, so it is created, guys. You can see here the status is green. Now let's go back again to EC2 and let's see. So you can see here, and you can see also see I have open mailbox. Okay, now let me see, the email count is 85. Okay, now let me do one thing. Let me stop this. Okay, stop, and let's observe. Stopping. Okay, see here we received one alert. Okay, so see this alert, what this alert saying. Okay, it's saying the instant status is stop. Okay, now let's go ahead and start this again and let's see. Now it is in pending state. Let's refresh this. See guys, the server is started in running. So let's see here, we got a running alert also. Okay, and few minutes back we seen stopping alerts also. Okay, so running, stop. Okay, so stop running alerts. You can see here 1 minute, 3 minutes back stop, 1 minute ago running. Okay, if we terminate, then we'll get terminate alert also. So let this get start, then I will terminate. Okay, so it is started, and let's see, go ahead and click on terminate and let's see. So the state is shutting down. So let's see if we received any new alert. Okay, yeah, we received the alert, and what is here in the state is showing shutting down. Okay, so let's see one more alert, shutting down. Okay, so once it is terminate, we'll receive terminate alert as well. Okay, so we received one more alert. Okay, so let's see what is this. Okay, so this is terminated. Okay, so guys, you seen how it is working. Okay, so this events is very useful, these emails. Okay, so let's get configured, try this option. This is very good option for daily operations. Okay, and I will add in description the SNS topic link, how to create and subscribe the SNS topic if you still not watch my earlier videos. And if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe, and if you like this video, then give a big thumbs up. That's it for today. We'll meet you next week.